What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to The Average Garage, and today, let me start off by saying I have royally messed this episode up. I have not recorded anything in sequence. I've missed a bunch of recording, and things have just been pretty hectic, and hopefully my editing skills can clean it up just a little bit. So in today's episode, we are going to strip down and paint the diff. We're going to pretty much clean up and paint everything that goes under the body. All the other stuff has been sent off for electroplating or zinc plating, and that will look amazing when it's done. So hopefully I'll pick that up next week. I've heard that most of it's done. They're just waiting for a couple of more bits that were heavily painted. Apparently paint is their worst enemy. So they're trying to strip that off. But yeah, everything else is ready to go. So all I need to do is get all the nuts and bolts back and pick up a few more things, and then we can start putting it all back together. But I have pretty much painted everything, and hopefully, I don't know, near enough, good enough. It's all underbody stuff, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but you'll see it soon. So let's get to some, I don't know, we'll do some wire wheeling, get some painting going, and yeah, it should be a little, I don't know, bit of a montage episode. Hopefully it won't go too long. So yeah, and then after that, when I get all the bits back, we can start putting it back together. Sorry there wasn't an episode last week, or the last 2 weeks really. It's just, I've been waiting on things. The hoist is still broken. I can't fix the hoist until the car's down, so there's a whole lot of other stuff. Anyways, without further ado, let's get to some grinding, some painting, and, I don't know, try and make it look somewhat pretty. So let's do it. So even though the lighting is terrible, we have the diff here. It is all painted black. There's a few spots I've got to touch up just under here. I don't think I cleaned it up quite well enough because when I hit it with compressed air, some of the paint blew off. So I think there was still some oil and contaminants there, so I'll clean it all up and give it another coat, because I don't know if you can see it, but it's like fisheye-like around there as well. So not that it matters too much, because at the end of the day it is a diff. Now all the other stuff is obviously white, so hopefully it'll tie in well, because the theme under the car will be black, white and blue. So yeah, hopefully it looks good when it's done. Now I've got to figure out how the radius arms, how the lower control arms, how the front upper arms all go back together, because there's no arrows or anything, so I'm going to have to look at some reference pictures and see which way all of those face. But we'll get to that when we get to it, when we go to install it. But at the moment, just to finish this episode off, this is what it all looks like. So it's all nice and black and white. And under the car is still done, obviously. So yeah, anyways, that's all for this episode. I will leave it a little bit short. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So I love to read the comments, so please drop a comment if you reckon I should have painted it a different colour, or what I should paint something else. Yeah, I've got to clean the tank up, so make that nice and shiny black again. But yeah, so I'm just going to clean the rest of this stuff up, finish it up. Next episode you'll see we'll be putting most of it back together. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next episode. Stay safe, stay humble. We'll see you then. Peace.